So I recently got sent out this nightstand, and today I'm going to show you everything that you guys might need to know about it. I'm also going to show you guys a really quick assembly and go over the actual assembly process and how that went. Anyways, let's go back in time and check that out. Overall, when it came to the assembly, it was actually pretty straightforward. I will say for a nightstand, it did take me a little longer than I expected, so make sure that you guys set aside about an hour worth of time to put this together. But we did get extra parts. Everything seemed to make pretty good sense. All the steps were pretty short, but there were a lot more steps, if that makes sense. So overall, not too bad. Just make sure that you guys assemble this on a blanket or a carpet so you don't scratch the actual finish of the nightstand. All right, so let's take a closer look at this nightstand. So first of all, we're gonna get some RGBs on the bottom and on the top, and it has a really cool glow effect to it. And the RGB has its own controller up top right there. So this button right here is how we turn it on and off. We could press and hold for 3 seconds. Now the lights are off. Now if we press it again, the lights should turn back on. Now we could also short press to change the colors and the modes. We have some pretty crazy modes, and it is full RGB, so we have all of the colors that you guys could ever need. Then we also have this icon right here, and if you guys press that, everything flashes, and basically it will sense when someone walks near the nightstand and turn the lights on, and then turn them off after about a minute of no movement. So it's a really cool feature. That's the bottom of the hub. You could see where the wires go, and I'll show you guys the back in just a moment. But on the left, we have a full outlet. The outlet does have wireless charging, and it did work on my iPhone. We have a USB-A for charging, USB-C, and then 2 normal outlets. So a lot of space up top and a lot of use. So here's what the back looks like, and you guys can cable manage a little better. They even give you some Velcro for that. But for now, I'm just keeping it like this because we're gonna put this in storage shortly. But in order to make this work, you guys will need 2 outlets. You guys will need an outlet for the actual RGBs, unless if you plug them in up there. And then you guys will also need an outlet for this little power strip right up here. So overall, the drawers are very easy to pull in and out. They're not soft close, but they're easy enough to use. And we have these really nice gold handles that make it very easy to pull in and out. I also like how they put a base on the bottom to raise it up. I think it looks a little bit more modern that way. And normally you can't see the actual RGB light, you could just see the glow. So I think they had the perfect mounting location for the RGBs. So I will say this nightstand is on the wider side, which I do like. It does give you a lot of storage. A lot of nightstands are almost half as wide, and it's not quite as tall as some other nightstands. It's a little lower than the top of my desk over there, as you guys could see. And I really like that we have these little walls on the perimeter, just so that you guys aren't dropping anything in the middle of the night while you guys are trying to look at your phone or something like that. So anyways, if you guys are looking for a really modern looking nightstand with RGBs, this is a really cool one to look into, and that's it for my super quick review and assembly.